What's going on, YouTube? Jason Whitaker back for another video, and we are back in the backyard for part 2 of our pool build. And let me give you a quick update on everything that we've done this week for the pool. So here we go. So here's a quick shot of the inside towards the deep end. We are standing near the shallow end, and this week we started doing poolcrete to frame out the bottom of the pool, similar to concrete. But this is a pool base that's specifically designed for the bottom of the pool. So you can see that we started pushing the poolcrete in and sculpting the bottom of the pool. Another thing we started doing this week, or actually we just finished this morning, is we started putting in our concrete footers. So all the way around the pool, we have roughly 8 to 12 inches of concrete all the way around the sides of the pool. That's going to keep the pool in place. These white PVC pipes, these are 3-inch pipes filled with concrete to the normal depth. We'll backfill these holes a little bit more once we start backfilling, but what this is going to do is provide us some support around the pool on 2 sides, as our elevation is going to be a little bit different from when we go from here to here. So to help provide some of that dirt and concrete some support when we start building up on top of it, we've put these PVC pipes. We're going to fill them with concrete, cut them off, and those would be like our pylons to help keep everything secure. So as you can see, we've already started leveling some of the sides out. We did that this week. We got some 3/4 inch stone down. We still got to add some more for some buildup, as this side will be the 8-foot concrete pad. Some more views of the concrete footer all the way around. And as you can see, we got the PVC on the other side with the concrete. So we did some leveling work here to get the Georgia buggy to get this concrete in. Another thing that we did this morning was we added our 4-foot by 8-foot pad, concrete pad. This is where our heater, pool pump, and filter are going to be sitting. We had to backfill some of the trench with just some rock. We'll dig that back up, but we had to do that in order to get the Georgia buggy back here with concrete so we can get all the way around. But it's just 3/4, easily dug up. This week, literally yesterday, we had one of the humongous dirt piles already removed. You can see here, this is where one location of dirt pile was. We've kept this one here, and we still kept our elevation and dirt on the side of the pool. The reason for that is this week we're going to go and get our plumbing all done. We're going to get our electrician out here, and he's going to run all the electric for the pool, including our pool light. So we'll have all this plumbed out, all of our returns for water, such as that hole right there, our skimmer right over here. We'll get that wrapped up this week, and then hopefully by the end of this week we'll have the city of Fishers out here to do their first inspection, make sure everything's grounded properly, make sure all the plumbing is done correctly, and then after that we can start backfilling all of this area by the wall with dirt to about right about 3 to 4 inches from that lip. So wanted to keep as much dirt as I could so I don't have to bring dirt back in. So that's why we only took one of those piles out, so we had enough dirt to backfill. Alright, so that's going to wrap up our video today. So thank you for following along. I'm Jason Whitaker, the DIY Dad, and hope you stay tuned. Make sure to like and subscribe for part 3 coming up next weekend.